Menteri Rangba Khubor Shri Conrad K. Sangma mentagasngi ulasamik sanction letter hapok ke Chief Minister's Special Development Fund ha Jingiarap ke belapelong haying sa jongu ha Shillong. Yakini ke jingkershan pisa la ai shiki Kynhun tre kam beper ha ki Shnong githau ki Jaka Pule ki Kynhun Ialehkai baki dor bar Shnong bakin pentrei ki project ki batmu ban penklan ye ki jingdon ki jingtei ha ki Shnong githau bat penjana ye ki jingshakri pat ba ha keleng Khuborjylla. Na pedeng ki bayok banta kiri kesenjuk rang ba Shnong dorbar right mathan Chibak Agal Gitem Sports and Cultural Club, Lat Nongrim Upper Primary School, Church of God, Sorenkam, Rangthong Cultural Club and Sports Association, Reach Shillong Ministries, Mizo Women Welfare Society, Umpling Presbyterian Secondary School, St. Anthony's High Secondary School, but kinomi kmat ne Shnong jong district prepare. Ki kam balabay tingka ki kentup ik jingtay ik ying school but ki kamra penlong class ki ying dorbar Shnong ki hall balapenon kam yabun ki jat kam ki jingtay ki office jong ki Seng badon ha Shnong ki jing penbiang ki Jaka bar ha ki school but ki office pat ba ki madan Ialehkai basketball ki Jaka satjan ki kor ki jing shakri ki ambulance ki jing thiet ki tiar Ialehkai but ki we ki jingtay hapok ka Shnong gathau habakren ha ki Jingiarap Menteri Rangba uloong baka CMSDF kadang yai beteng ban syakri kum ke atiar bakongsan na kebenta ban NEHU ya kejingdon kam kerke ya karoi kapar haki Shnong githau.
Distributing the sanction letters for the different schemes that are there under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. And just so that all of you know, this is a fund that is at the discretion of the Chief Minister's office and the Chief Minister. To distribute different schemes and programs in different parts of the state. Of course, the amount is limited, so therefore many of you have asked much higher amounts, but we can't give the amount that all of you desire because we have to distribute to everybody and we have to share with everybody. That's the reason I try to make it a point that whatever I can do, at least something is given to everybody so that everybody feels happy. So that's the whole idea. And of course, the objective of calling all of you is to be able to see the kind of different schemes that we give to different organizations and people apart from your scheme itself. So therefore, we won't take much time. Once again, I thank all of you for coming here. And of course, I thank the entire team of the Chief Minister's Secretariat for doing all the hard work to ensure that the sanctions are done on time. So with that, we'll start with the distribution. And of course, I welcome our MLAs, our MDCs, our ex-MCE and all senior political leaders who have come to join in this program. Thank you so much.